What's going on, guys? All right, so today I want to show you, I have a customer picking up their car from New York here. I want to show you what the ceramic coat, this car's been ceramic coated. I wrapped it in rose gold chrome a few weeks ago. It's been ceramic coated, so I want to show you what the ceramic coating actually does. Now this is Vivid's slash G-Technique. It's actually made by G-Technique, right? I think branded by Vivid, something like that, but you can get it in the link in the description below. I'll put it there for you. It's called Fuse, and it works amazingly. So as you can see, the water is really beating on the wrap right now. This makes it so that we don't have to scrub the car down as hard. Now, it's not a scratch-resistant coating. It's what it does is it's hydrophobic, and it keeps a lot of things away from the surface. So that means when we go to wash the car and we spray it down, we can spray off most of the dirt and most of the dust right off the bat without even using a sponge yet. Now, when you take a sponge to a car that has dirt on it, that's when scratching happens usually. So it's a great way to prevent scratching. You know, if you have a gloss wrap or a chrome wrap, it works amazing. So forget about laminating it, because this is actually amazing. It works really well. It's a little bit less expensive, so you can actually do it yourself if you really want to. Again, I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Now I'm going to spray it down. I just washed the car down because he's picking it up in about 20-30 minutes. I want to show you what this is like when we spray it down. All right, so you're going to see the hydrophobic property. And I haven't dried the car yet, obviously, or anything like that. So guys, it's going to get a little loud because I'm going to use the power washer. So you can see it's really, it's pretty pristine. So we can see the water just coming right off. So again, it is a G-Technique product, I think branded by Vivid. It's on the roof and everything, right? So we can see it on the roof also. This makes maintenance way easier, especially when you have a wrap like this. So when you have a wrap like this, maintenance is obviously a major concern, and this helps a lot. So what do you really need to clean the car down with? Mostly just a power washer, right? And then you can dry it off with a microfiber towel. I do not recommend a chamois, because chamois tend to damage paint and wrap, so they're not very good. Use a microfiber towel. Let's check out the hood. Pretty awesome, right? So this coating isn't just gonna wear off over a few months after you wash the car a bunch of times. It's on there. It's not going anywhere. It's stuck. So if you scrub the car down really, really hard all the time, then sure, it might wear it out over time. I'd say let's give it 3 to 4 years. A lot of companies like Ceramic Pro, or even Ceramic Pro even has one. I haven't tried it. This is the only one I've tried. But they'll warranty it for the life of the wrap. So if you have your wrap on for 4 or 5 years, they're gonna back up their product to the same extent. So you can see, obviously, it's just crazy how smooth this is. And it's gonna come out like glass once we dry it off. Even running my hand over it afterwards, the water's still beating like crazy. So guys, let me know what you think about the product. I just want to show you a demonstration of what it actually does and how it works. Now, if I didn't have this car ceramic coated, the water wouldn't be beating like that. So this is like a permanent wax coating. Think about that for your car. When you have a wax coating on your car, the water beads like this. And so this is a very similar thing, but this is permanent. You don't have to wax your car every couple of weeks or every month or however often you would do that. This is just apply once, done. Save yourself a ton of money on products, save yourself a ton of time on top of that, and maintain the life of the wrap itself, right? The gloss finish is gonna look scratch-free as long as we don't scrub it really hard, which you won't need to anymore. So guys, I hope this video was informative for you. If you thought it was informative, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see some more videos on stuff like this and demonstrations, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Take care.